everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to guide you through a delightful spring makeover, transforming your space into an elegant bohemian paradise. Are you ready to infuse your home with a fresh, vibrant vibe? Let's jump right in. Here's our canvas, a lovely but somewhat underwhelming living area. Our goal? To breathe life and personality into it with some bohemian flair. Above, a spectacular chandelier crafted from reclaimed materials casts a cozy glow, perfect for those serene evenings. Underfoot, a detailed area rug anchors our theme, weaving intricate patterns that pull everything together beautifully. Turning to the walls, we've adorned them with a collection of charming artwork and reflective elements that play with the light, enhancing the room's natural brightness. These touches add a sophisticated yet whimsical charm, perfect for any bohemian setting. Look at these shelves. We've styled them with a mix of vintage finds and greenery that brings the outdoors inside, ideal for celebrating the rejuvenation of spring. And over there, a cozy nook awaits with a plush chair and a stack of books. Just what you need for a lazy afternoon. And voila, our living room transformation is complete. Each piece and every accent invites you to relax and enjoy the new season in an elegantly bohemian setting. What do you think? If you love this transformation, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and tell us about your spring refresh experiences in the comments below. I hope our style fits your home. Until next time, thank you.